A public sector network is a resilient infrastructure within a region which connects all of the public sector users within that region. So effectively, it's the internet for that for the public sectors within a geographical region. The other part, what it does is it creates the infrastructure for the engagement and the involvement of a e-commerce environment for government as we go forward.
The PSN will benefit Staffordshire residents, first of all because there's quite significant cost savings to the PSN. We expect as a minimum that the PSN will save us £10 million. But more importantly, by having a joint network in place for the public sector in Staffordshire, it's much easier for us to provide end-to-end services to our residents. Our residents currently don't understand exactly what the County Council does, or what Health does, or what any other of our partners do. And by working better together, the network will give them those foundations to do that work much easier.
And a catalogue of services which allows the PSN to evolve over time.
And this is a great opportunity for us to lay down some infrastructure that will allow us and partners to share some big cost savings.
The PSN will deliver new ways of working for our council employees. One of the most important ones, I think, is that council employees can now work anywhere in the county. They will have all of their services.
Currently there are a number of national networks which the County Council has to join. So for instance, we're connected to a national education network, we're connected to the N3 NHS network, we're also connected to Government Connects. Ultimately what we'd like to see would be a single public sector network, which meant we didn't have duplicate connections to different national networks.
This network will help to improve services to our residents in Staffordshire, because it will help the public sector to work much better together, to share data in a secure way, to make sure that it's much easier for our staff to go out and about to locations and work anywhere within the council.
I think we initially really parked the technology aspect altogether, and we tried to understand what the desired outcomes were, with the first objective of delivering cost savings, secondly future-proofing that solution to make sure that it adheres to the PSN standards that's set out by the Cabinet Office, and then the third point, and the most important part, is to understand how the technology could deliver benefit for the citizens of the Staffordshire region, which is the paramount reason behind procuring the PSN network.
I think we'll judge success by the amount of interest we get in this. I mean, obviously there are savings for us to be made, but I think the biggest savings down the line is how we can convince other partners and public sector bodies in the county, and possibly outside the county too, to look at this contract as a means of them joining our public sector network and also enjoying savings like we are.
Moving forward, we've already got agreement with South Staffordshire Health that they'll be joining the network. We're also having dialogue with Staffordshire Police, Staffordshire Fire and Rescue Service, to see if we can offer a network which will provide a cost-effective platform for them and to deliver, again, partnership benefits.
I think the future for PSN is very bright. We're seeing a lot of initiatives. There's two initiatives. One is the central government initiative around developing the standards for PSN, which is really driven by the Cabinet Office. The second part is the adoption of regional PSNs, as we've seen here in Staffordshire.